Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Apex Legends black screen problem. If you want to fix it, click here and then go to graphics settings and now enable this option and then go back and go to after that go to Windows Update Settings, check for updates, make sure you have all the updates that you can find and then go back, then go to GeForce Experience and after that drivers, and now check for updates, install the latest update for your graphics card and then restart your computer, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed, and see you in the next video.